Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, today is the 22nd of July. It's a Friday. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some ideas that you probably need to consider when you go into your trading for today. It's still early in the morning where I am in South Africa, so this might change depending on where you are across the globe. So by the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That way you will not miss any future videos. We have got a lot of videos, good content coming up, so you don't want to miss that good content. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like this video so that I know the type of content that you guys love. The type of content that you guys love, and you can leave your comments in the comment section below if you find this video helpful, or if I missed anything, if you want me to talk about something, anything that you might be struggling with. That's the purpose of this channel, so that we help each other grow. Okay, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links if you are looking for this system that I use for trading, and as well as other things that people are selling out there. Many people are selling robots, people are selling indicators, courses, books, and stuff like that. But everything that we do on this channel is for free, so you can download all those things that people are selling. You can download it for free using the links in the description box below. Also, the broker that I use, one of the best brokers in the world, a very award-winning broker, and so that we trade together, so that you see what I see. It's good that we use the same broker. So go ahead and sign up with them. I've been with them for 5 years now. I've not had any problems whatsoever in coming to deposit and withdrawals and things like that. So I can highly recommend them. So for $5, for just $5, you can open a real life trading account. It's probably not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a good way to test your strategies and indicators and robots in real life market conditions. I hate demo. We don't do demo here. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So if you say you don't have anything to trade today on Friday, and probably maybe in the coming week, you probably need to just turn on your US dollar pairs. You probably know I love trading these dollar pairs. So here's the situation on the USDX. Some brokers will call it a USDXY. It seems our bounce is finished now, and we are probably trading is a game of probabilities. I'm not saying this is going to happen today, or that it's going to happen next week, or that this is definitely going to happen. It's a game of probabilities. So it looks like the dollar now wants to resume what? Its upward movement. Well, if you've been following the dollar has just been getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. It's just getting stronger. So people have just been buying the dollar, as shown by the dollar index. The dollar index shows you the strength or the weakness of the dollar. So what does this tell us when it comes to US dollar pairs, which in my opinion happen to be the easiest pairs to trade, because just look at what the dollar index is doing, and either you go along with that pair or you do the opposite. So our first pair is USD/JPY. Because it starts with USD, it means we are going to be looking for buys. And look at what's happening with USD/JPY. We are just at this resistance level. That's why it's red, but I believe it's going to turn blue very soon. We might see a breakout here with USD/JPY. So that will be my 80% bias. Of course, the market will be the market. The market might actually do that. The market is the market. That's why you cannot never be 100% on a position, on a bias, and you can never be 100% on a position and bet your house on that single position. You just need to have uh, two biases in the market, but obviously you probably have a bias that's probably greater than the other one. So USD JPY, look at this. There's a possibility that we might actually break through here. This is on the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame actually. Uh, so we might actually break through here. I think we are probably done with this test. We might actually break through here and go there, but I'm not saying that we cannot do that. We can still do that. The market will do what the market does. We just try and be prepared for that. If we look at Euro USD, look, Euro USD looks like it's about to drop. Euro USD looks like it's about to drop. That's the easiest thing about the dollar index and Euro USD. Whatever you see on the dollar index, just go to Euro USD and do the complete opposite. You make money. Simple strategy. It looks like it's about to drop. I don't know whether you agree or you don't agree. I don't know. Or it might actually break through, but my bias for now looks like we might be in for another drop. We've tested this level for 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days. This week we have tested this level and we're not able to break it. So for me, there's a high chance, again, it's probabilities, high chance that we are now exhausted here. Now we want to what? To go down. And we're probably going to break this level. Who knows? So let's move on. Let's move on. Let's not make it longer than necessary. Obviously, AUD USD will be looking for sales as well. Looking for sales. Ideally, we want to tap into that level and before we can actually look for sales. And if we go to USD Swiss franc, we'll probably look for buys. Probably look for a buy, but that's not to say the market definitely will not do that. The market might do that, but for now we are definitely looking to go this way because of the US dollar index. GBPUSD, we are also hanging around this zone. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days we failed to break this zone. So where's my bias? There. But it doesn't mean that we might not do that. Yeah, of course we might do that, but my bias is on us doing that. If we do that, then I'll just wait for us to break through and break through convincingly, and come back and test this level and fail to break it down. Then I know that we are in for continuing. You must also allow the market to prove you wrong. That's why you must always have stop losses on your trades. That's why you must limit. You must have small lot sizes that your account can handle. Allow the market to prove you wrong. Then we are going to look at USD Canadian. Obviously, we'll probably look to buy this thing because of what? Our dollar index. Ideally, I would have wanted it to first come and tap this zone. But if it's tapping this middle area here, I don't know if you can see it. Let's say we have a middle area there. Have a middle area there. Looks like if it doesn't want to go this way, then maybe we are stuck on this middle area there. So we are still valid for continuing to go up. So who knows? Then NZD USD. NZD USD, obviously looking for sales. Looking for sales. So yeah, I don't know if you trade exotics. I don't know if anybody trades exotics. I just keep this because I'm in South Africa, so it's interesting for me to actually see what the South African rand, is doing versus the US dollar. I used to trade. I used to trade it, but lately I'm just focused on pairs with very little spread. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm focusing on. I'm not trading exotics at the moment. So yeah. So I hope this video gives you an idea of what you probably might want to be considering or looking at. It's Friday, the 22nd of July. If you find this video helpful in any way, go ahead and hit the like button. Again, subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.
I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easy